Be honest, do you feel like your productivity drops during Ramadan? Like you start this month motivated, but after a few days, you're just tired, distracted, and not focused? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. What if I told you that Ramadan can actually make you more productive if you do it right? In this video, I'll share practical tips on how to manage your energy and avoid burnouts, the best times to work, study, and focus, and also how to balance worship, work, and daily life without feeling overwhelmed. So stick around till the end, you don't want to miss this. By the way, I'm Fatima, and on this channel, I talk about Islam in a way that's practical, relatable, and easy to apply in daily life. If that sounds something like you'd enjoy, hit the subscribe button and let's make the most of this month together. Alright, let's talk about something super important, your energy levels. Because let's be real, if you don't manage your energy properly, Ramadan can feel draining. You wake up tired, you go through the day exhausted, and by the end of the day, you're completely wiped out. But here's the good news, you don't have to feel that way. If you make a few smart changes, you can actually stay energized and productive throughout the day. So let's break it down. First, suhoor is your fuel, don't skip it. Think of suhoor like something that keeps your body running throughout the day. But don't just eat anything. What you eat matters. Go for slow digesting foods like oats, eggs, whole grains, and dates. These will keep you fuller for longer. 2. Hydration is key. Seriously, don't ignore this. We all know dehydration makes us tired, dizzy, and unfocused. But most of us still don't drink enough water. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water between iftar and suhoor. And pro tip, avoid too much caffeine. It actually dehydrates you and can mess up with your sleep. 3. Power naps, your energy boosters. Ever feel like you just can't function by midday? A quick 15 or 20 minutes power nap can literally save your energy levels. But here's a trick, don't overdo it, or you'll wake up feeling even more tired. Keep it short and refreshing. Managing your energy in Ramadan isn't just about avoiding tiredness, it's about making sure you have the strength to focus on your worship, your work, and personal growth. Take care of your body, and trust me, it'll take care of you. Ever notice how some parts of the day you feel super productive and other times you just want to nap? That's totally normal. Your energy naturally goes up and down. So instead of struggling through low energy moments, let's work with our body's rhythm. Mornings are your peak focus time. Right after Fajr, your brain is fresh, your body still has energy from suhoor, and distractions are at a minimum. This is prime time for deep work and studying. If you need to memorize Quran, work on a big project, or study for an exam, this is your golden time. By midday, your energy starts dipping. This is not the time to push yourself too hard. Instead, use this period for lighter activities like reading or planning or doing tasks that don't require big concentration. And if you can, a quick power nap, like we talked earlier, can help recharge you. After iftar, your body gets a boost, but instead of crashing on your phone, use this time wisely. This is a great time for ibadah, praying, making dua, and reflecting on the Quran. Also, it's a great time to connect with your family and friends and giving back to your community. The key here is simple, work smarter, not harder. Be honest, how much time do you actually spend scrolling? An hour? More? Ramadan is short and we don't want to waste it, right? So set app limits. Social media isn't bad, but too much of it, that's a problem. Set app limits so you don't fall into the endless scroll. Also, swap scrolling for the Quran. Try replacing 10 minutes or 15 minutes of your screen time with Quran recitation. You will feel so much better. Choose your circle wisely. If your friends are always online, suggest doing something beneficial together, like attending a lecture or volunteering. Social media will always be there, but Ramadan won't. Let's make these 30 days count. A lot of people feel stuck during Ramadan. Should I focus only on worship or keep up with work and studies? The truth is, Islam is all about balance. You don't have to choose one over the other. You can grow spirituality while staying productive. Here's how. First, blend worship into your daily life. Think about the tasks you do every day. Use this time wisely. For example, listen to Islamic podcasts. Worship isn't just about long prayers, it's about staying connected with Allah throughout the day. 2. Set a plan for worship. Ramadan flies by, and if you don't plan, you might reach the end wishing you had done more. So set small, realistic goals. For example, how many pages of the Quran can you recite daily? Or can you dedicate 10 or 15 minutes of each night for deep reflection and making dua? Consistency is key. Even small daily efforts will add up by the end of the month. 3. Turn your work and studies into worship. Your work and studies can be ibadah too. If you work or study with the right intention to provide to help others to gain knowledge, even that can be an act of worship. So if you work or study, just remind yourself, I'm doing this for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So here's the thing, Ramadan isn't just about fasting, it's about growth, discipline, and becoming a better version of ourselves. If we use our time wisely, we'll finish this month feeling stronger, more focused, and closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But I know it's not always easy. So what's your biggest challenge when it comes to staying productive in Ramadan? Let me know in the comment. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Ramadan Mubarak. See you in the next video.